Hi guys, today I'm eating rice cake, aka like kabuki, if you know what to say. I put it with pizza and that was good. Just like for you.
If you put your trust and faith in Him, then you will live a big one.
Pag-usapan na natin yung current life mo na ngayon. O paano kayo nagamit yung presa?
Oo. Very controversial yung buhay namin. Yung phase ng buhay namin. Kasi no one thought that kaming dalawa would be an item. Kasi una-una, isang dekada yung age gap natin.
Hindi naman ako ito.
Masasabi sa kanya.
Wait guys,
Oo, baka
I'm good.
ano eh, di ba?
Na year. Kasi si June yun. He got married March of 20.
Pero sandali lang,
So good.
pero napakahirap din para during that time sa isang artista naman ng babae na ikakasal kasi ma-affect yung career also. Di ba? Siyempre, kung ikaw pantasya ng kababaihan, siyempre pantasya ng kalalakihan.
Yeah.
Di ba? During that time, was there also an issue regarding that?
Oh yeah.
Bro, this was so good.
Oh my.
It was
Okay, first
Yes,
bite.
Zaragoza at the time. Kaya it was such a big thing, big deal. Sobrang laman kami ng gabas. Dahil pang issue, mga
Not true.
hat.
Ah!
Now, 2024, so we will be 23 years.
That was good.
Sekreto.
Alam mo, sigat. Kasi,
Guys, if you wanna bite here,
there's no such thing as a perfect.
here I have the whole thing. Go, 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 go.
When you always go back to
Guys,
the-
check out my new music video.
There's a certain
I actually make
process
music
that
now.
it creates
I hope I go
na-
viral,
na
guys.
matibay.
Wait, guys, let me just do something.
It's not about being perfect. It's about humbling yourself and submitting. God designed us.
First bite for you.
There's God's design for a man and God's design for a woman. And you don't have to play that part. Kasi once you start
That's
messing
good.
up God's design, that's where chaos starts.
Biggest financial.
Sorry, guys, if I-
naman you've experienced.
A big back.
Ano yung pinakamalaki mo?
Yes,
My mom just
mga-
bought pizza 'cause she's a baby.
All throughout naman, diba? Yan, diba? Purchasing a property or something. May utang, diba? And there were times na kabayan ka, diba? Alam mo namang buhay ng artist. Minsan, tuloy-tuloy yan. Tapos biglang merong times na wala. So, how are you going to go for month?
Don't mind what I did.
Malaki ba ka talaga? Oo. May mga times noon. So, alam mo na.
Why did I?
Alam mo, why God's provision is amazing. So, we're really humbled by it. Hindi niya kami pinabayaan talaga. Always, dadating
It's kind of bitter with no like